Hello guys, I am responding to Georgia's challenge, which was invisible and silent parasites. My response to that is also with a sentence from the same chapter, and the sentence is excesses are not only poor but also voiceless and transparent.
I was born just like you. I need food to live just like you. I need shelter to feel safe just like you. I need love just like you. And I need to be heard. I need to be seen. I need to resist.
Safe to travel at night?
It's safe to stay here. Your father's gonna pick up our trail for a while.
And Lord Karai.
Yeah, that's right. Margaret, time to go. Thank you for everything.
Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody out there?